Look at the difference. Okay, it's still dirty because it's dusty, but look, it's shiny again. So that's what that intro video was probably. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this, but none of this darkened bullshit. So now that means I should be able to get the car registered, because that was one of the bigger complaints, that basically darkened lights are illegal. Another thing that they complained about was the fact that the interior wasn't complete, and I need to get rid of the sort of numbers and stuff as well. I guess I just need to wash the car, clean a little bit on the inside, and find where I put that plastic trim. I'm sure it's somewhere. Anywho. Today, I think we're going to do some more maintenance. The main thing that concerns me is that it's still having a bit of a misfire. I'm going to swap around the ignition coils. I'm maybe going to start investigating some of the potential fuel issues of like it not getting enough fuel. I have a box of things that has arrived, which includes things like the stabilization linkages, I think they're called. I have the rear parking sensor, which I might fit in, sort out all the dust and junk and the cables. So yeah, I'ma just get to it. When I tried to register the car, there was a very small handful of things that I need to sort out before I could register it, right? Number one, lights. All sorted. So smooth, so good. Thing number two, parking lights. They were out. Just a case of taking this plastic off, putting new bulbs in, sorted. And the last thing that they weren't happy with was basically that the park lights, I guess they're called park lights. Basically these lights, in one of the sides, it was kind of fallen in. So the bulb wasn't properly seated, and I looked at it and I was like, that's an easy fix. Like, you just remove the light and so on. I wasn't even recording because I was like, I'm just changing two bulbs and putting a light back in. I put one of the lights back in, and then I realized I don't know how well you can see. It's red. The previous owner has spray painted the bulb partially red. That is spray painted red of a bulb. You can see also where it has burned off. I get wheels. Okay, you're wanting to do custom wheels, right? They have to be red. The radio volume button, maybe you have a little bit of leftover in the can, but a bulb, just one bulb, red. Why? Good morning. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. What do you mean good morning? Local got his wisdom tooth removed yesterday. I'm a wee bit bloated. I'm so swollen. I don't think I will be speaking much. So now I've just got some leftover bits, some old maintenance to do, and I've also got a new high pressure fuel pump, which I think is one of the common failures of this Peugeot, which I think is causing my misfire as well. Anyways, back to work. Existence is agony. Happiness is a mirage. Okay, back to work. Let's have a look at what the mailman brought. Anyways, this is high pressure fuel pump. It is somewhere way under there. I need light. There you go. So, in a very typical me way, I decided to start just getting the exhaust off. It's shit and I want to replace it anyways. I have taken it off a lot of the supports already, and then I was like, how am I actually gonna get it out? It would have to come off in parts, which is fine. I was just gonna like cut this and take the exhaust off in bits, but I realized the new exhaust, or well, the replacement exhaust, is a single long piece all the way to the front subframe part, meaning I can't get it over the rear subframe. The plan is I'm also going to cut the replacement exhaust probably somewhere here so I can get it above the rear subframe. So I think now I'm going to start cutting. I think I'm gonna cut. Yeah, I'm Yeah, I've got nothing to lose, and I hate this. I hate this old exhaust with holes in it, and that stupid bucket. It's not cool. It's not sporty. It just drones. That is the rear half. That should come off now quite easily. Yeah, it's a bit droopy. And this is the whatever middle part. And then up there, as you can see, there's a clamp there that I should be able to open up. And then that should split front part and the sort of middle part of the exhaust. Whew. Okay, let's keep going. Oh! Oh! Why did I choose the peak of summer to do these works? Oh, really? First try? Oh, god damn, that was perfect. That could work as well. That's way too big. First try! Muffler is now sitting on the pads, the bushings, and here is quality zip tie work. Ooh, I forgot about this thing. Yeah, that's gonna burn. It's plastic on this part of the exhaust. This will also burn and create a nice smell with the car. This is nicely sitting on bushings as well. You know what happens now? Now I do another test to see how loud the car is, or how quiet the car is now. I don't know why I'm gonna do this, but there is no exhaust, so I'm gonna turn it on. I think this is gonna be loud. Not that much. It's actually kind of boring. I thought this was gonna be really loud. Am I shouting? Definitely smells different though. Oh, it's so much better. So much better, so much quieter. Oh, fantastic. I'm gonna call it here for the night. I don't know what episode this is. I don't have episodes. Bye! Morning. I came to register my car. And as usual, I messed up the time, so I'm here an hour early, which is unusual for me. However, I've been driving the car from the workshop to here. I mean, I'm not gonna say that it works like a dream, but it's so much better with the new high pressure fuel pump. When driving, there's no error codes. I'm, gonna get myself some new license plate soon. Woo! Oh, I still have this text on here in the window. I don't care. I don't think they're gonna mind that one. Well, turns out I wasn't an hour early. I was 2 days and an hour early. Numbers are difficult for me. Calendars are confusing. The car has not thrown any errors, even at relatively hard acceleration. So definitely the issue was the high pressure fuel pump. But yeah, no, car's great. Cool. I'll see you later in the workshop.